Hi, I'm Kirk. Welcome back to Kirk's Bees, home of Jack's honey. Well, we got some inspections to do today.
So after I went into that nuke uh, there on Saturday, I also did the other hive inspections, and well, as it turns out, after doing my research, that hives that have queens don't have laying workers. Yeah, they did it again. And I walked right into it. It was great. But anyway, here's that next inspection. So enjoy. And
I love this one. Little J hook. Oh yeah. Now see, these girls ate. That's good. Thank you. We'll just clean that up for you. Might give it back. I also want you to go get some of that natural. Little populous, that's fine. And today I'm not using smoke, mainly because I forgot to get the smoker out. Not their fault, that's my fault. Mostly up here by the ventilation port on the bottom board. Always check the bottom board. Never know what's there. Your queen might be up there, but it would be pretty rare. But you want to be sure. Nothing in the beetle trap. Just the way I like it. Not a whole lot off the pollen patties. I think they're working on this other one a lot more. Oh yeah, they're working on this pollen patty. They favor the one on the left and the right. Well, your right, my left. No, I did that last inspection. I'm sorry. Pollen. Last bit of brood on here. Oh, they're drawing this one out nice. It's a good honey frame. So we'll move that one toward the outside. And this one's going to be heavy. Oh, they're starting to cap this. It's capping honey. Got a bit of pollen. Yeah, a little bit. Ooh, brood. Look at that. Getting mooned again. I think they're just polishing up the bottom of the cells. Pollen, they're filling up where the brood used to be. She's not laying here though. So that would be kind of an inner with the honey on one side. Let's check out our mite control. Drawing out some drone. Got an emergency cell, a couple emergency cells right next to each other. Drawn out, nothing's in them. Forming out another emergency cell over here. Drone up in there. No eggs. So we're just gonna, excuse me. Okay, then don't move. Out of there. Spider, you're not a bee. I haven't popularized this too much, so we're good. Drone, we got larvae. We got eggs. Good land pattern. A little honey in the corner. A little bit of bee bread. Up, here she is. Here's our queen right here. Egg. This looking good. We'll just lay her right back down in here. So, I want to sandwich her between brood. That's what I want to do. There's brood right there. Okay. Move. What side do you want? You're on that side. This is kind of drawn out a little bit far, even for them. So I don't want to squish the queen either. But I want them to work it out. There we go. Okay, now that's a little bit of brood over there, but this is a lot of brood, from the looks of it. Both sides brood. We know where she's at, so we're gonna give her lots of room over here. So this frame needs to butt up against that one. Just honey. All right, so this side, this one has one side of brood. So we want to face brood to brood. So we're going to do just that by doing this. Now I got this information from Mr. Ed. He has his channel on YouTube there, and I listen to him and Dirt Rooster. So if this don't work, no, I'm just kidding. I'm sure this will work. Okay, I'm surrounding that brood with some honey. Thing looks nice. Now Now we put our empty frames in. Don't have to worry about hurting nobody. Nothing like that. I'm just checking for eggs. This is going to be pollen and bee bread. Probably going to be a honey. Yeah, just honey. Nothing. Nothing. Okay. So let's see what we got left. Brood toward the center, then the honey, then empties. Okay, they're starting to store honey up on this. This is going to be a honey. Storing honey, that'll be honey storage. This is all bee bread. Put these three together. That'll be honey. Empty on the outside. Empty on the outside. Fix up our bee space. Okay, here it goes. Alright, we'll come back later and we'll put some feed on these girls because they did empty that. Give them the pollen patties back.
Meep, meep.
Let's just see what we got. They're still fanning at the front, but they've obviously calmed down a lot compared to earlier. So I'm just going to take a little peek in here, see what we got. Hopefully this will solve our problem of a laying worker. Glad that they've calmed down. Of course, there's not going to be as many bees in here as there was, and I'm not going to take them out. They're already stressed as it is. I see you.